Welcome to 74 Lee Road 450 in Phenix City, Alabama. This super cute home is a steal with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 1,700 square feet. The open floor plan is ideal, and this home is in impeccable condition. Wood floors run through the main living area and add to the charm. The master includes private access to the majestic backyard, and this home offers low maintenance living and is priced at a value in Lee County. Move-in ready, this easy living home is ideal for families on the go or anyone looking to downsize. This is 74 Lee Road 450 in Phenix City. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.